how to use AI to elevate your spiritual healings. Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited to share a little bonus video and a current project that I'm working on with you. I took over the last 20 years, all the different spiritual healers that I've been to and the different systems that they have and use. I'll give you an example. Human design, astrology, palmistry, anagrams, personality types, right? I could go on and on and on. I've featured many of these modalities right here and on my channel. So I took all the results, all the graphs, all the charts, and I put the information into a large language model, which I use Chat, and I asked Chat to challenge me. I asked it in a prompt to summarize it for me. I asked for a SWOT analysis. And if you don't know what a SWOT analysis is, I used to use this quite often in my business: strength, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, and kind of set it up as a coaching tool for me, but also I wanted to have one sheet that had everything. I wanted to share the process with you for one reason. Maybe you can do this for yourself. Without further ado, here it is. It's coming up next. The first step is to write the prompt. I'm going to share the one I used. Please feel free to tweak it for your own spiritual needs. And don't forget to add in all your spiritual data. I thought it would be fun to explore the various spiritual systems in this chat. I will share the various spiritual modalities and outcomes that I've worked with over the past 20 years. I invite you to review my charts. I would like you to share my strengths and my weaknesses with me and give me my personal spiritual SWOT analysis. I would like you to act as my personal guru and no sugarcoating. Give it to me straight. I would also appreciate it if you could provide me with some tips and even some homework challenges to work with for my future self. If you have any questions, I can answer to give a better idea of my intentions. So go ahead and ask away. But here's what's really cool. I was expecting just a short video, but I also got a workbook, a PDF, and so on. This is a great tool for you to use. So here's a short clip of a longer video to give you an idea. Enjoy.
Combined Spiritual SWOT Analysis. Strengths: deep wisdom seeker and healer, charismatic spiritual leader. Weaknesses: over-identification with success, emotional avoidance. Strengths: role model with legacy, energy, bold voice for transformation. Weaknesses: burnout from overgiving, power, money wounds, martyrdom. My guru homework and spiritual challenges. 1. Shadow journal prompt weekly. Where am I doing instead of being? Where am I serving to feel worthy, rather than from overflow? 2. Embodiment practice. Practice the pause before reacting. Ask, am I responding or reacting? 3. Monthly money mirror. Track income. Ask, what part of me believes I deserve more? What part still doesn't? 4. Radical visibility challenge. Post one raw, unpolished video per month. Lead with your truth, not perfection. 5. Healing mantra. I am enough, even when I rest. My impact is not measured by output, but by presence. Final guru insight. You are not here to fix the world. You are here to embody what a healed world looks like, one brave, broken open, boldly lit moment at a time.
I hope today's video encouraged you or inspired you to do this work for yourself. I'm leaving up the prompt I used, and please feel free to adjust it to match your needs. Love and light, Jeannie. Bye now.